The better-built Quantum Rack is the ultimate truck rack that's perfect for hauling work equipment and recreational items just the same. The universal design fits most full-size and compact trucks, and the heavy-duty construction ensures your Quantum Rack will handle whatever you put it through. The Quantum Rack includes tools for this build and installation, but they're not unique to the rack, so if you have a set at home you'd rather use, that's completely fine. The installation of the Quantum Rack is broken up into 4 sections to make the process a bit easier to follow, so pay attention. We're going to move pretty quickly. Section 1. Assembling the base and uprights. For Section 1, you'll need the following. To start, insert the backer bar into the channel on the upright. Next, push the screws up through the bottom of the base. Fit base adapters over the screws to fit on the contours and shape of the top of the base. Orient the upright rail to lean inboard away from the big side of the base adapter. Using the included medium Allen wrench or a 7/32 one of your choice, firmly tighten and secure the bottom of the rail to the assembled base parts. Now, use this completed upright as a reference to complete the assembly of the remaining 3 uprights, repeating the previous steps. Pro tip: be aware that the rack bases at the front of the bed will extend toward the rear, and the rear bases will extend forward. Section 2. Assembling the top rails. For Section 2, you'll need the following. Slide the backer bars into the top rail, and then thread the screws down through the upright saddle into the backer bars, but be sure to leave a loose fit so the upright can slide along the top rail's track. Now, using the included small Allen wrench or a 3/16 one of your choice, assemble the end caps to the top rail and securely tighten them. Repeat the previous steps in this section for the remaining uprights. Section 3. Installing the upright assemblies. For Section 3, you'll need the following, along with the front and rear upright assemblies. Place the rubber bases on the front of the truck bed rails on both the driver and passenger sides. With the assistance of a friend, who's likely been content just watching you this entire time, lift and position the front and rear upright assembly onto the rubber bases. Adjust and square the position of the upright assembly bases and rubber bases as needed until they are aligned. Slide the clamp over the upright bases on the inside of your truck bed rails as seen here. Thread the socket cap screws up through the bottom of the clamp. Next, slide the clamp screw stops between the screw and the bottom of the bed rail. Using the included large Allen wrench or a 5/16 one of your choice, firmly tighten and secure the clamp and base to the bottom of the truck bed rail. Repeat the steps in this section to complete the installation of the second clamp and the remaining upright assemblies. Section 4. Tighten and secure the top rails, install D-bulb seal trim. First, adjust and center the top rails on top of the uprights. Using the provided medium Allen wrench or a 7/32 one of your choice, firmly tighten and secure the socket cap screws beneath the upright assembly saddle. Finally, cut the D-bulb seal trim to the necessary length and insert it into the bottom of the top rail and inside the uprights to prevent whistling and wind noise. Repeat these steps on the remaining upright assembly. After this final step is complete, your newly constructed, better-built Quantum Rack will be ready for whatever your needs may be.